discuss about the problems which based on collapse law. Collapse law. So it is an important problems. 2018 he has put this collapse law problem. I think in this council exam he may put this question. These are the important questions. Which are the important questions I am solving only at the classes. So try to understand this the problem. Which are the important problem? Mostly this problem he asks in the council exam. This pattern of questions he will ask in the council exam. So I am writing the questions. Calculate the equivalent conductance. Calculate the equivalent conductance. Calculate the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. Calculate the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. Lambda E0. Calculate the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution. Lambda E0 of CH3COH from the following data. From the following data. Given that lambda E0 HCl equal to 4 to 6.2 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Then lambda E0 given CH3COH data is given how much? 91. Then lambda E0 NaCl. Lambda E0 NaCl equal to 1 to 6.5 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Look at it. Whenever he will give this, जेतले ए टाइप रो प्रॉब्लम देई दिबो देखो जोटा से मागी दिबो that is definitely weak electrolyte. देखो सी मागी जी कोटा equivalent conductance का equivalent conductance of CH3COH at infinite dilution. मागी जी कोटा CH3COH at infinite dilution. Infinite dilution means zero concentration. देखो जोटा मागी दिबो सेटा definitely weak electrolyte. जो डाटा गुड़ा से देइथिबो सिगला डेफिनेटली स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. वेरी इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट एगला मेन पॉइंट बेसिक अपन कोलैप्स लॉ प्रॉब्लम. सो जोटा से मागिथिबो जहार इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस के मोलर कंडक्टेंस मागिथिबो सेटाला डेफिनेटली वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आ जो गुड़ा देइथिबो सेटाला कोन डेफिनेटली स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. जोड़ा मागिथिबो डेफिनेटली वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट जोड़ा देइथिबो डेफिनेटली स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. क्लियर? सो ए बळे जतरा देइथिबो फर्स्ट राइट दिस क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट टाइम सॉल्विंग दिस. ए बळे जतरा देइथिबो ताको कोन करिवो आगे स्प्लिट कर दो. स्प्लिट करिवा वे को सिखि दोछि हाउ यू कैन स्प्लिट दिस. देखो लैम्डा E0 एटा मागिछि लैम्डा E0 इक्वल टू लैम्डा एटाला कैपिटल दिस इज कैपिटल लैम्डा. वेरी इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट. दिस इज capital lambda, this is small lambda. This is capital lambda, this is small lambda. Remember, this is capital lambda, this is small lambda. This is capital lambda, this is small lambda. Clear? This is capital lambda, this is small lambda. So, ए वाले तरह से क्वेश्चन का देखिए वो आगे लैम्डा E0 of CH3 C3COH. Lambda E0 of first you will write this. ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो देख लो सी को तुम्हें कौन करिवो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करिवो वे ना सीखे मुझे and easily how you can easily solve this question. I am giving you the tricks how you can solve. Look at lambda E0 C3COH lambda E0 C3COH so second देखियो lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C3CO minus. This is equation number 1. Look at lambda 0 C3COH equal to lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C3CO minus. This is theta and this is Ni. This is equation 1. Next lambda 0 HCl. Lambda 0 HCl equal to कितने इसको lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 Cl minus. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Next is lambda 0 C3CONA. Lambda 0 C3CONA lambda 0 Na plus lambda 0 C3CO minus. This is equation 3. Next lambda 0 NaCl lambda 0 NaCl which is equal to lambda 0 Na plus lambda 0 Cl minus lambda 0 Cl minus. Look at very important point. So this is lambda E0 C3CO lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C3CO lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C3CO and 1 8 as minus. He has asked how to calculate equivalent products and infinite dilution of C3COH. First जदि तुमे न जानि मानिबो ए वाला सब गुडा को स्प्लिट करना हैला. सो नेक्स्ट मागी जी कोडा lambda 0 C3 lambda E0 C3COH ए equation का equation how can you get this equation from these three equation. It are very easy tricks. Look at এই তিনটা ইকুয়েশন কো ইকুয়েশন 2 ইকুয়েশন 3 এন্ড ইকুয়েশন 4 কো কোন অপারেশন কলে তুমি ইকুয়েশন 1 টা পাই সেটা দেখি কোনটা কলে তুমি সেই ইকুয়েশনটা পাই কোন কলে ইকুয়েশন এই তিনটা ইকুয়েশন কো ইকুয়েশন 2 ইকুয়েশন 3 ইকুয়েশন 4 কো কোন কলে তুমি ইকুয়েশন 1 টা পাই এইটা হলো কথা फास्ट ए वाला स्प्लिट कर दो तुमको जोड़ा पड़ी जो को दिटा इक्वेशन को ऐड करके कोटा माइनस करे देखो इक्वेशन आसीबो हमें दरकार को लैम्डा h प्लस लैम्डा 0 C3CO तो केमति पाइबा इक्वेशन 2 प्लस इक्वेशन 3 माइनस इक्वेशन 4 इक्वेशन 2 प्लस इक्वेशन 3 माइनस इक्वेशन 4 दैट विल गिव इक्वेशन 1. लुक एट जदि हम इक्वेशन 2 टा को इक्वेशन 2 सहित 3 ऐड करबा माइनस कोन करबा इक्वेशन 4 दैट इज इक्वेशन 2 प्लस इक्वेशन 3 माइनस इक्वेशन 4 दैट विल गिव इक्वेशन 1. एटा ट्रिक्स जानिबा वे होची फास्ट एटा जदि मागिथिबो ताको स्प्लिट कर दबा एबा लैम्डा 0 h प्लस लैम्डा 0 C3CO माइनस तापर कोन करबो एटा को देखि दो हमर दरकार कोन लैम्डा 0 h प्लस लैम्डा 0 C3CO से सॉरी C3CO माइनस ए दिना को जोड़ी देले कोन C3COH तो आमे ई लैम्डा 0 h प्लस लैम्डा 0 C3CO पाइबा तीनटा इक्वेशन केवल पाइबा देखो इक्वेशन 2 प्लस इक्वेशन 3 माइनस इक्वेशन 4 एटा कर देले लैम्डा h प्लस अब एटा रहला लैम्डा 0 Cl माइनस आ लैम्डा 0 Cl माइनस एटा कटि गेला लैम्डा Na प्लस लैम्डा 0 Na प्लस लैम्डा 0 Na प्लस एटा ता कटि गेला रहिला केला लैम्डा 0 h प्लस लैम्डा 0 C3CO माइनस C3CO माइनस. So 8 तीन इक्वेशन तो इक्वेशन 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4 that will give equation 1. This is the answer. How can you solve this? So एक बड़े को लिख परिबो lambda 0 C3 CO Na. Look at equation 2 कोटा एडा lambda 0 HCl plus lambda 0 C3 CONA minus lambda 0 NaCl. Look at lambda 0 NaCl. बर्तन ए दिटा को ऐड करिबो माइनस ए दिटा को ऐड कर देले नाही बर्तन ए जो वैल्यूटा सब पुट करबो वैल्यूटा कते अछि lambda E0 HCl कते अछि 426 पॉइंट कते दिला देखो 426.2 माइनस प्लस C3CO कते अछि C3CO 91 माइनस lambda 0 NaCl अछि 126.5 एटा को ऐड कर देले एटा आसीबो तमरो आंसर आसीबो 390.7 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent. So this is the simplest way to calculate. If you simply looking this reaction you will calculate, if only this writing this you will also get the mark. But it is very easy to calculate. How can you easily calculate? First you split this, then you will know what equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4, what are the equation, what you have to add or what you have to subtract, so that you will get the equation 1. This is easily you can, if you split this then you will easily know it. But if you cannot split this, if you looking at this reaction you can write this equation, then it is not needed to write this thing. Clear? If you look at this reaction then you calculate this thing, then it is not needed to write this. Clear? Simply writing this, up to writing this one you will get the also get marks. Simply writing this one's writing you will get also this mark. But if you want to know it clearly, then you split this, then you can easily know what equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4, that will give equation 1. So that you will put this value. Clear? Next, problem 1 finished. Next is problem 2. Next is problem 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Write the question. At 298 Kelvin, at 291 Kelvin, at 298 Kelvin, the equivalent. At 298 Kelvin, the equivalent content has infinite dilution of NH4Cl, NaOH, NaCl. At 298 Kelvin, the equivalent content has infinite dilution of NH4Cl, NaOH, NaCl are 1 to 9.8 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse comma then 217.4 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse, and 108.45 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Calculate the equivalent conductance of NH per OH. This is question mark. This is how can you calculate the equivalent conductance of NH for OH, ammonium hydroxide? How can you calculate the equivalent conductance of NH for OH at infinite dilution? Equivalent conductance of NH for OH at infinite dilution. Look at equivalent NH for OH. This is a weak electrolyte. Look at this is a weak. This is a weak electrolyte. This is a weak electrolyte. Look at what are the data given? NH for Cl, NaOH, NaCl. These are all strong electrolyte. Look at these are all strong electrolyte. जो डाटा गुड़ा देइथिबो सेटा ला strong electrolyte, जोटा मागी दिबो सेटा ला definitely weak electrolyte. This is the key points in collapse law. जो डाटा गुड़ा से देइथिबो सेटा ला definitely strong electrolyte, जोटा मागी दिबो सेटा ला definitely weak electrolyte. The data which are given that should be definitely strong electrolyte, and what are the questions you will ask, that will be definitely weak electrolyte. Clear? So either language pura equivalent conductance he has asked equivalent conductance and infinite dilution of NH for OH. Equivalent conductance and infinite dilution of NH for OH. So I am not splitting like this question. You will split this thing. Clear? You will split this. Otherwise, shortly I am splitting this. Look at lambda E0 NH for OH. Lambda 0 NH for plus, lambda 0 OH minus. Equation 1. Lambda 0 NH for Cl, lambda 0 NH for plus, lambda 0 Cl minus, lambda 0 NaOH, lambda 0 Na plus, lambda 0 OH minus, lambda 0 NaCl, lambda 0 Cl minus. Look at how can you get this equation? Equation 1 from equation 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. How can you get this? So कौन करे to make pi of equation. Look at say equation 2 plus equation 3, equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4, that will give equation 1. Look at equation 2 this plus NH4 plus OH lambda OH minus NH4 plus कितने equation 2 lambda OH minus कितने equation 3. So equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4. That will give the equation कितने equation 1. That will give this equation 1. This is the trick. So if you cannot know it, you will split this thing. If you cannot know this, then what you have to do? You have to split this thing. Clear? So otherwise you will directly write the answer lambda E0 NH4 OH equal to lambda E0 कितने equation 2 lambda E0 NH4 Cl lambda E0 NaOH कितने NaOH minus lambda E0 NaCl. Clear? Look at lambda E0 NH4Cl plus lambda E0 NaOH, lambda E0 NaOH minus lambda E0 NaCl. So next you have to put this value. Kata hoche lambda E0 NH4Cl, lambda E0 NH4Cl kata hoche 1 to 9.8 plus NaOH kata hoche 217.4 minus NaCl 108. Look at this question number 2. Whatever left in this due to technical problems. So lambda E0 NH4OH, lambda E0 NH4Cl, lambda E0 NaOH minus lambda E0 NaCl. So you will put this value lambda E0 NH4Cl 149.8, lambda E0 NaOH 217.4 minus lambda E0 NaCl. How much? Each 108.45. So that will give 238.75 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. So this is the answer. This is question number 2 answer. So first you split this. If you do not know this, then you split lambda E0 NH4OH, lambda 0 NH4 plus lambda 0 OH minus lambda E0 NH4Cl, lambda NH4 plus lambda Cl minus lambda E0 NaOH, lambda Na plus lambda OH minus lambda E0 NaCl, lambda Na plus lambda Cl minus. So you split this, then you add the equation 2 and equation 3 minus equation 1. Oh sorry, equation 2 plus 3 minus equation 4. That will give you this data. So next is question number 3. Look at this, is a very also important question. Equivalent conductance of sodium propionate, hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride at infinite dilution are 85.9, 85.9 and 4 to 6.1, 1 to 6.4 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse respectively at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the equivalent conductance and infinite dilution for propionic acid. Calculate the equivalent conductance and infinite dilution for propionic acid. Clear? So in order to solve this question, also same pattern I am giving you this hints. How can you solve this pattern of question? This is the easiest trick. Whatever I am giving, this is the most easiest trick in order to solve this pattern of question. So equation 3 answer. Look at this answer. Look at this answer. So how can you solve this? Lambda E0 C2H5 COH. It is propionic acid, propanoic acid. This is C2H5 COH. How much carbon? 3 carbon. So propanoic acid or propionic acid. So this will how you can get lambda 0. This is the answer. Question 3 answer is this. Question 3 answer. So lambda 0 C2H5 COH equal to lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C2H5 COH. This is equation 1. So propanoic acid, this is a weak acid. So whatever the data he has asked, this is weak. And what are the data he has given? Sodium propionate, salt, hydrochloric acid, strong acid, and sodium chloride, salt. That is all strong electrolyte. This is definitely gone. Weak electrolyte. This is weak electrolyte. These are strong electrolyte. So whatever the data is given, that is definitely strong. What are the question equivalent conductance जोटा मागी थी वो साला definitely weak. जो data वाला देखो साला definitely strong. Clear? So Next is lambda E0 sodium propionate C2H5COO select lambda 0 Na plus lambda 0 C2H5COO minus equation 2. Next is lambda 0 sodium propionate HCl lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 Cl minus. This is equation 3. Next is sodium chloride lambda 0 NaCl lambda 0 Na plus lambda 0 Cl minus equation 4. Look at this. This is equation 1. This is equation number 1. How can you get this equation 1 from equation 2, 3 and 4? This is the problem. So we have to calculate the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution of propanonic acid or propionic acid. So what is the propanonic equivalent conductance? C2H5COH. So C2H5COH lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C2H5 lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C2H5COO minus. How can you get H plus and C2H5COO minus? So what are the equations you have to add so that you will get this value? Look at equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4, that will give equation 1. So looking at this, how can you get this? Look at amar darkar kuda lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 C2H5COO minus. kuda add kale kuda subtract kala ame ei dita pai. Kuda pai lambda H plus eta achi how C2H5OH eta achi. So 2 plus 3 minus equation 4. Equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4, that is equation 1. Equation 2 plus equation 3. Equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4 equal to equation 1. Clear? So you can write. If you split this, you can easily know it, or directly you can also write it. Lambda E0 C2H5COH equal to lambda E0 C2H5COO Na plus lambda E0 HCl minus lambda E0 NaCl. Lambda E0 C2H5COO plus lambda E0 HCl minus lambda E0 NaCl. So value टा कते अछि देखो, value कते अछि एटा अछि 85.9. What about the value is given? We will put this value direct. 85.9 eta कते अछि 426.1 minus eta 126.4. So whatever the value is given, 385.6 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. 385.6 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. Clear? So this is the answer. Question number 3 answer is this. If you can write this, okay, or along with this type also simple, you can write this much also, you will get the also full mark. If you split it, then it is easily to know split this equation, then you can easily determine this equation. जदि तुम एटा को स्प्लिट कर दो एटा इजीली डिटरमाइन कर पारो जदि स्प्लिट न करियो इट्स स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट टू राइट दिस थिंग क्लियर सो इफ यू स्प्लिट दिस इक्वेशन you have to get the equal contents and infinite dilution of C2H5COH. How can you know this? From this equation 2 plus equation 3 minus equation 4, that will be equation 1. So जोटा मागी छी एटा डेफिनेटली वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट आ ए तीनटा ला कोन स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एटा ला कोन डेफिनेटली वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डेफिनेटली एटा वीक इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एटा ला कोन स्ट्रांग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट क्लियर Next question number 4. Question number 4. The lambda m, very important question. The lambda m of 0.025. The lambda m of 0.025 mole per liter. The lambda m of 0.025 mole per liter of methanoic acid is the lambda m of 0.025 mole per liter of methanoic acid is 46.15 ohm inverse centimeter square. Ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. The lambda m of 0.025 mole per liter of methanoic acid is 46.15 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Calculate the degree of dissociation. Calculate the degree of dissociation and dissociation constant. Calculate the degree of dissociation and dissociation constant given that it given that lambda 0 H plus, given that lambda 0 H plus equal to 349.6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Then lambda 0 CH3 lambda 0 CH3 CO minus 50 केते अछि 54.6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Lambda 0 is plus 349.6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Lambda 0 C3CO minus 54.6 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Look at a question here. What are they given? Lambda m. What is lambda m? Molar conductance. Molar conductance is given 0.025. Molar conductance is given 0.025. Lambda m of 0.025 mole liter inverse. Lambda m of 0.025 mole liter inverse of methanoic acid is 46.15 ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Calculate the degree of dissociation and dissociation constant. Degree of dissociation is alpha. Degree of dissociation is alpha and dissociation constant is K. Dissociation constant is K. Already I have given this formula. So how can you solve this question? First, in this question, what you have to calculate? Lambda m0 HCOH. HCO lambda m0 HCOH. Lambda m0 HCOH. What is HCOH? Methanoic acid. What is HCOH? Methanoic acid. Lambda 0 H plus HCO minus. That is equation number 1. Look at lambda m0 molar conductance and infinite dilution of methanoic acid equal to lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 HCO minus. So lambda 0 H plus how much? Lambda 0 H plus is how much given? 349.6 plus lambda 0 HCO minus lambda 0 H এটা C3 sorry এটা আসিব মিথানোইক অ্যাসিড কলা যায় মিথানোইক অ্যাসিড আসিব এটা সরি এটা দেখো এটা মিথানোইক অ্যাসিড করলে HCO মাইনাস এটা আসিব ফর্মিক অ্যাসিডের ফর্মুলা HCOH ডিসোসিয়েট হলে H plus HCO minus. Dissociate H plus HCO minus. So lambda m0 lambda m0 HCO is lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 HCO minus. এটা lambda H plus is 349.6. lambda HCO minus is how much? Can they see? 54.6. 54.6. একে দেখাই দিব 444.2. 444.2. What is the unit? Ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. 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 Clear? So this is lambda m0 of methanoic acid. That is molar conductance and infinite dilution of formic acid equal to lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 HCO minus. Lambda m0 HCO is lambda 0 H plus lambda 0 HCO minus. So first molar conductance and infinite dilution का है तापर करेगा कौन है degree of dissociation is alpha. 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 How can you calculate the degree of dissociation? How can you calculate the degree of dissociation? That is alpha. Alpha equal to lambda mc lambda m0. Lambda mc lambda m0. Lambda mc what? Molar conductance at any concentration. Lambda m0 molar conductance at infinite dilution. At any concentration 46.15 divided by lambda m0 molar conductance infinite dilution 44404.2. 404.2. It has 0.114. Alpha equal to molar conductance at any concentration divided by molar conductance in infinite dilution. Alpha. Next, it is degree of dissociation. Next is dissociation constant K equal to C into alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. K equal to C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. K equal to C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. C कहते हैं C is how much? Given molar conductance and concentration 0.025. 0.025 into alpha square. Alpha is 0.114 square divided by 1 minus alpha. 1 minus 0.114. And 114. So it has calculate 0.000. It has to calculate 366.3667 or it has to लिख 3.67. So 3.67 into 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4. This done. Clear? So Next question, next two questions. I will give you the task. These two questions are the home task. You have to solve these questions. Clear? These two questions, I am writing these questions. Question number 5. You have to solve these questions. 5 and 6. Clear? I am writing this question. You will solve this question. Next class, if you cannot solve this, I will solve these questions. Clear? Calculate the degree of recession of question number 5. Calculate the degree of recession of NaCl in calculate the degree of recession of NaCl in 0.1 n. Calculate the degree of recession of NaCl in 0.1 n solution. Calculate the degree of recession of NaCl in 0.1 n solution. The lambda E at this dilution. The lambda E at this dilution is, the equivalent conductance at this dilution is 98.4 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. The equivalent conductance at this dilution is 98.4 ohm inverse centimeter square gram equivalent inverse, and ionic conductance of Na plus and Cl minus. Ionic conductance of Na plus and Cl minus ions are ionic conductance of Na plus and Cl minus ions are 43.4 and 43.4 and 65.5 moles dot centimeter square. And at question number 5, next question number 6. Question number 6, I am also writing this. Question number 6. The molar पांच नंबर क्वेश्चन ना कर 5 नंबर 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन दउछि मु आ गोटे इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लिखो the specific conductance of a 0.01 m. The specific conductance of a 0.01 m solution of acetic acid. The specific conductance of a 0.01 m solution of acetic acid at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin is 1.65 into 10 to the power minus 4. 1.65 into 10 to the minus 4 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Calculate the first bit molar conductance of the solution. Calculate the molar conductance of the solution Second bit, degree of dissociation of CH3COH. Degree of dissociation of CH3COH. Dissociation constant for third bit. Dissociation constant for acetic acid. Dissociation constant for acetic. Try to solve this question number 5 and 6. Otherwise, next class I will solve these questions. Yeah. Thank you.